my favorite things about tokenization is the concept that instead of just investing in commodities or just investing in stocks or just investing in crypto or just investing in something like DeFi, you can actually invest in a blend of those things.
Tokenization is the representation of a real-world asset or an intangible asset and digitizing that asset and assigning it a token. With tokenization, you could, for example, represent a house or a building by a non-fungible token. And you could tokenize fungible financial assets like currency. By that token, you could invest in a tokenized copper mine operation to receive the dividends from those mining operations, for example, which is coincidentally what we're doing at Real Earth Elements. So what we're doing is that we're allowing people to participate in the dividends that come out from the mining operations.
It's tokenization that allows democratic access from across the world, because that's another big thing that's played out over the last 100 years, where certain nations were the custodians of most of the wealth using these structures, which were not accessible to people from other countries. Those people from other countries had to be accredited, they had to be registered on the stock exchanges, they had to be certified and get to a point to even be able to participate in the wealth generation that comes out of mining. Whereas with tokenization, anybody from across the world, as long as they pass the Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering checks and regulations, can participate in whatever way they like. That allows the wealth of mining to be shared across the world and for us to spread the prosperity rather than keep it in the hands of the wealthy custodians.
From the company standpoint, the business standpoint, by tokenizing early, the business, in this case the mining company, is experiencing an influx of funds from the investors. We're giving away profits through the dividend payment, but we're not selling equity. The payments made to our investors are real payments. They're paid in, they're not paid in US dollars, but they're backed by US dollars. And those in turn are exchanged for more tokens or cashed out for presumably US dollars, euros, whatever your fiat currency. That means we're able to purchase equipment, purchase properties, operations, expand without taking on debt. So after the 3-year, 4-year period of growth that we're planning for the first 3 to 4 years, we will have a very low debt to equity ratio. We will have a token dividend payment, but that dividend payment is based on our income. So if we have a bad quarter, a bad year, or we have an excellent quarter or year, it's based on our income. Therefore, we're not in danger of being run out of business like so many other mining companies because we can't meet our debt. So the equity markets will see our company as a much stronger company. It won't have the debt burden that our similar company, our sister company that doesn't tokenize. Keep an eye on enterprise-backed tokens and dividend tokens. There's several ways to say it, but I think RealEE is just going to be the first of many.